guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this amazing eye look. Like, I am so excited to just play around with eyeshadow now. I love doing it. This was so fun to create and just kind of learn and play around with some new stuff. So yeah, if you like the way this turned out, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe below. I am doing a giveaway, so make sure that you enter that and you'll have a chance to win. Make sure to share this video and any other videos you like so I can get to 1,000 subscribers and do another giveaway for you guys that's even bigger. One more thing, I'm going to shout out Selena Hernandez. She is a new YouTuber as well, and I think her work is really good, and she wanted to do a collab, so I am doing this glam kind of Valentine's Day look, and she's also doing a Valentine's Day look for us. So I'm going to leave her channel info and her Instagram down below. Here's a picture of the lovely lady right here. She is very, very pretty. And yeah, that is all I have. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. We are putting on some eyeshadow primer potion for this look. Now that we got that all done, I'm going to put some scotch tape to make sure this look comes out snatched at the edges. There we go. So we're going to get out the Huda Beauty palette. That's what I'm going to be working with today. The Huda Beauty, oh my gosh, if I can get to it. The Desert Dust palette and the Electric Obsessions palette. I can't find it. No! The Electric Obsessions palette, because we're going to be using a couple of shades from each one. So, to start out, I'm going to set my crease with some Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. Not going to set the lid because I want that eyeshadow to really pop. I learned that from another YouTuber. I don't know her name, but her eyeshadow looked pretty poppin'. So, yeah. I'm going to fluff in Amethyst, which is this purple shade right here. We're going to fluff it in above the crease. We're going to really build up that color, guys. Don't worry if it looks really messy right now because we will clean it up. I promise. Now I'm going to take a more precise brush, this brush right here, and go into that same shade and put it right in the crease to kind of densen up that line. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's what we're doing. We're just going to make sure that color is really intense, almost a line across the crease as the cutoff point for the lid, because we're going to be putting two completely different colors on the lid. I want to make sure this looks seamless, so I'm going to blend upward as well as in the crease, because I want to make sure that color really pops. I'm going to go back in with that other brush from earlier and just keep on building up that color on the outer side of my eye because I really want that color to pop, pop, pop. I'm going to go back in with that other dense brush one more time and really get this inner corner area. Now I'm going to cut my crease with some Tarte Shape Tape. Now I'm going to be going into the Electric Obsessions palette, and we're going to be using the red shade right here. Just put this on the outer V, also the inner corner as well. And we're using a flat top brush so we can really define where to stop that red. Now I'm going to go back in with the Amethyst shade and just make sure that that line is still there. Now I'm going to be going in with this flat top brush. We're going to go into the Lorac Unzipped palette, and we're going to use the Unlimited and Unleashed shade. Love these for when I need a bold, dramatic like glitter because they pull through, guys. I'm just going to spray it with some Tarte Rainforest and the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. I don't know. And we're just going to put this right in the center of the lid. I don't put any extra product, but we're just going to blend out those edges from the red to the gold. And now we're going to go back in with this dense purple brush one last time into that Amethyst shade, and we are going to go over that line one more time. Going back in with this very first one we used and just blend, blend, blend in. And now let's go ahead and do the other eye. Whoa. Wow. Very precise lines. Ooh, I'm hungry. Some sour back goods. I'm gonna just put on the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Primer. I'm gonna throw on some e.l.f. Hydrating Primer on my cheek so everything goes on smoothly. Then we're gonna use, let's use the YSL All Hours Foundation. Let's be all dramatic today and full coverage. This is a good shade for me right now too because I'm not so tan. Let's try out this Patrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer because I am super excited to try it out. I can get it open. I've heard Tati rave about this, so I just really want to try it out and see if it really covers up my circles. She uses this like more than the Tarte Shape Tape now, so I trust Tati. This concealer is approved by me, and this is $5.99 by the way. Now I'm gonna set my face with some Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm gonna be using my Huda Benefit Bronzer because that's like my go-to at the moment. We're gonna be contouring with my favorite shade and light palette, and with these two shades right here. Now we're going to be using the Laura Geller Baked Blush because I'm in love with this right now. It's one of my favorites. Just gonna put those on the apples of my cheeks. We're going to highlight with the Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. I can find my highlighter brush. There it is. It's all wedged in there. I'm going to spritz this. This is my favorite part of this look. I think the highlight pulls it all together, guys. Get my forehead. We are glowing today. Now I'm going to grab my Morphe M441. Even go even further. We are really popping on the apples of those cheeks, girl. Now we're gonna blend out everything. I'm gonna blend out my highlight with this fan brush, and I'm also going to take a stippling brush and blend this out. So we got my face makeup done. We are moving back to the eyes now. So first, I'm going to do my lower lash line, and we are gonna go in with that red shade. And we are going to use a pencil brush, and we're going to blend out the lower lash line. I'm going to be popping on some lashes and doing the Ardell double ups, and I'll be right back. I'm just going to put on some Essence Volume Stylist Mascara. Okay. Now, we are moving on. What else do we have left to do? Eyebrows. So I'm just doing my normal eyebrow routine. NYX Taman Frame Pomade, the Essence Make Me Brow, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to touch up, you know. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. But y'all already know how I do my eyebrows, so yeah. Last but not least, we're going to do my lips. And I don't know what shade I want to do. NYX Lip Lingerie in this shade. Let's see if that does the trick. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna touch up this purple again, but then we're gonna highlight the brow bone in the inner corner, and that is it. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you do, I sound nasally. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe below, and don't forget to enter my giveaway. We're doing another giveaway once we reach 1,000 subscribers, which will include a lot more stuff. So make sure to share this video. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. I know it won't take long. I know the 100 subscriber mark is like the mark that's really hard to get to, and after that it's kind of a snowball effect from what I've heard. But yeah, so that is all for today, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!